man kita makabaluan ni ng test, kay mao ni ang pinaka-delikado na test. Pinaka-delikado na test. You will understand why. Because after this one, you will be able to... can I help you now? Say, nursing. I'm going to demonstrate the cell phone test. Okay, nothing cell phone. Okay, so now I am going to apply downward pressure. Give me your full strength. Okay, this is the pressure that I'm going to apply. The count of 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, do the same thing. But now I'm going to use my 2 fingers. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Without the cell phone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. With the cell phone. Okay. Come on. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Now, 20 to 30% of your energy is absorbed automatically by the cell phone. By just holding the cell phone, no, wala pa ka nagtawag. Wala pa ka nagtawag. When you look at the cell phone, 20 to 30% of your energy is absorbed. Naunod. How much more kung gatawag na ka? That's why in national television, and we're going to show a very short documentary film of how dangerous the cell phone is. Because in national television, one cell phone, isa ka iglog fresh air. Isa ka cellphone Korean handset siya ka na rated K. Isa ka cellphone, iglog, isa ka cellphone, 65 minutes talking mode. Ikawasan isa ka cellphone, talking mode. You know what happened to the fresh air after 65 minutes? Hard-boiled. Pwede panitan, pwede rito sa unon. That is how dangerous the cell phone is. But I would like to show to you and to prove to you that when you have that quantum protection, you have the quantum sentence, then there is really much of a difference. Okay, let's still do the same thing. Now, gawin mo na lang, ko lang dito, tapos ang hawak lang. And then, okay. Okay, ready? Notice. Pareho pa rin ha. Dalawang kamay. Okay, ready? Dalawang fingers. Thank you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Wala po yung mga kamay. So, I'm going to just show you very quickly this short documentary film on the risk, on the danger of the cell phone in our body. We have to be able to be aware of this because